combat veterans divorce within 5 years. I think
I've
the
heard
Navy
that.
SEALs is like 97, 98%. So my wife has been through so much. Uh, she's been my rock by my side. She's my editor. She's my encourager. She's my friend, my best friend. I mean, she's an amazing woman, and I'm blessed through her. I don't know where I'd be without her today. And she loves the Lord so much. She's a worshiper. I remember one time I was going through a PTSD rager, if that's what you want to call it. And I'd had some violent tendencies. There's this internal thing. I mean, it's like you feel your soul descending into hell, and the world's spinning, and the psychological horror. And then there's also the spiritual stuff, right? But I was never violent towards her, but around her. And I'm ashamed to say that. But I remember laying on the bed and I'm talking to God. And I'm like, Jesus, I need you to set me free. But I could hear my wife playing the piano and worshiping Jesus through the storm. And then for me, that brought peace in the moment. But we went through this for 9 years.